is there.
No. This is here. Competency is in 4.2. That I will review.
Okay, then we can complete the evidence. What
Yeah.
we want for the 4.2? HSE training matrix is provided.
Yes, correct.
Construction HSE plan is provided.
Correct.
Site induction training record tracking register what they have shown need to be included. No, the construction HSE plan will stop it. Okay.
Yeah, this I remove. This is not required, but training record what they have shown.
Yeah.
So I don't want to put the number because there are many.
That would be number.
Yeah.
What training register?
Yeah.
Training register.
You can
Training register.
Training register is available.
Training register.
Yeah.
Okay.
Training log. Okay. Training register and training log.
Okay. Site training register and log.
Correct.
Yeah, site training.
Site HSE.
Induction training. HSE training.
No, HSE training.
Site HSE.
HSE training.
HSE training register and log is available.
Available. Yeah, correct. So this is evidence.
We need to mention it's available.
Records.
I think-
you can see.
I think here we don't need to put. Here with the evidence document only.
And contracted HSE induction plan where it is there in the same training.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same log is the same.
Yes,
available.
correct.
Okay, training records and all other things are available.
Yes.
And you can add the record because you have seen now evidence references HSE training records.
So we are here.
Yeah.
That we have seen. No. So this is what.
Site HSE training register. Register is okay, but record you have visited now, right? Some TU is okay.
Either you put user register or record or log. Both are same thing.
No. It's not the same.
Not same thing.
Register is not the same as
It's not record.
No, what they are trying to do, register is the number of people they are having who were.
Okay, records. Okay, no problem.
Training record you verify, right?
RECORD, no problem. Record and log.
Yeah.
That's okay. Okay, now regarding the adequacy, implementation, and application of competency assurance, this is very important. So what contractor is saying that this has been prepared by us together. So competency assurance requirement has been addressed in the construction HSE plan and being implemented through the audit and retraining. Correct. And the training competency matrix is in place.
Competency training matrix.
Training
Competency matrix. So,
yeah, no competency matrix. I can say we can training.
competency training matrix.
Training matrix. Training, okay. Matrix in place for each discipline because mechanical, civil, everything is there. And formal interview selection process is there. Before assigning anyone, so we have formal interview and select the construction people, correct. Critical construction people like welders in place to ensure the technical competency. This
That line item is generic. Sir.
yeah, generic. Yeah, I remove it. Now here, trainings are imparted before assigning the jobs. This I'll keep the same thing to ensure people are competent and they are aware. HSE inductions are being imparted to all personnel and records are kept. Competency assessment. What about this one? Do you do some competency based training?
Yeah.
Competency based training, huh? And do
Yes,
you,
program in place.
and do you also do the exam test after every
Yeah, because some assurance are also there.
competency assessment